What's up guys, welcome to another do-it-yourself video, and in this case we're upgrading to the Carsparkle H1 LEDs from Amazon. And the difference is insane. So stay till the end because you're gonna see how these babies glow in the dark. And guys, don't forget how YouTube works, and if you wanna share this video with other viewers like yourself, please give a like to this video so YouTube can share it to other people. But alright guys, let's show you these lights. Most stock fog lights are weak, yellow and fade fast. But these Carsparkle H11s promise a true 6500K cool white beam, and all of this in a compact plug-and-play design plus. And check this out guys, they are IP68 waterproof, meaning rain, mud, snow, no problem. They will work with any weather. And the package has some gloves inside that you can use for your installation. Inside you will also find the two light bulbs, each with a sturdy aluminum body and built-in driver. The design is compact, a true halogen size, which means it fits directly into your factory housing without any modifications, which makes it great and easy to install because as you can see, you're not gonna need much. All you're gonna have to do is kind of like plug and play kind of thing, and we'll show you how easy it is to install them and do it yourself. And before you buy, make sure you always have the right bulb for your car. In this case, we have it for a Tahoe 2009 hybrid, and this kind of cars is very hard to take the light box out of the car, so I'm just gonna unscrew some screws, just kind of push it out. And luckily my hand is not that fat, so I can reach. And just to screw the light bulb and take it out. And hey, installation could be easier guys. These are, like I said, fully plug and play light bulbs. Just remove the old ones, plug in the Carsparkle LEDs, and you are good to go. You do not need extra wiring, no flicker, and no error codes. It's a really basic installation. By the way, I'll drop the Amazon link in the video description below. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to get more reviews like this one and travel adventures. And after you install them, all you have to do is just put the light box back together. And this is really easy because all you need is some basic screwdrivers and gloves. Now that we have finished the installation, we're gonna take it on the road. We're gonna go at night where there's a really dark place where I'm gonna show you how bright these lights are. They truly made a difference from what I had before. Because with the regular lights that I had before, I'm gonna show you the difference. It's really impressive how much of a difference it made. Check it out. On the driver's side of my car, I have the new LED lights. And once I turn them on, the difference, it's impressive. You'll see it. Because on the left side, I have the old ones, and check out the difference. But let's put these lights to the test. I'm gonna take you to a really dark street around where I live, and you'll see the difference. Because these 6500K cool white lights are crisp and bright, giving you improved visibility and clean modern look. Check it out, this is the low beams. And compared to my old lights, these throw lights wider and farther, making visibility a first choice. And let's check out the high beams, let's check out how they look. Let's turn them on and see how they work. Check it out. It's really bright guys. With an IP68 waterproof rating, these bulbs can handle rain, snow, and even car washes without any issues. Perfect for all weather driving. So overall, the Carsparkle H1 fog light bulbs offer a great value. Bright, 6500K output, easy installation, and durable waterproof design. If you are looking to upgrade your fog lights, definitely check this out. So remember that we said in the video description the Amazon link for you guys to check it out. And if you buy from a link, Amazon will give us a small commission and no extra charge to you. And you will be helping us to make more videos like this. And here are two more videos of items that might interest you as well.